So the water's starting to boil up nicely. Soon I'll be having a nice hot cup of tea. Put the windbreak around it, decided to put that around it because it was a bit windy, plus it'll give me some of that heat as well. I can put my hands here, there's a nice bit of heat right here. But it's a really cold day in London today, -2 I believe. And but anyway, my cup of tea is coming along. Set up nicely in the camp. The only thing I haven't got out is my sleeping bag yet, but if I was going to do an overnighter, but you're not allowed to sleep in Regent's Park overnight, so I'll come and just do a little day trek. There you go. Hopefully soon it will come to the boil. My Stanley cook set with the Carrymore windbreaker there. So basically I'm using my Gillette self-inflating mat. Really good piece of kit. I'm feeling really warm, my legs are anyway, but I suppose I should put my toes over here above. There you go. I think I can actually tell the difference. There you go, Regent's Park. People must be thinking, is this guy homeless or what? Anyway, guys and girls, foxes have holes. God bless you all. So I'm just gonna make my tea and give Sam a snack as well from inside my pack. And if you do want to see what's inside this pack, guys, inside the 24-hour day pack, please just scroll down into my video section and look for the 24-hour plus day pack, and you can see the full contents of this bag here. Today I'm just testing out my sleeping gear and my tarp. Anyway, so far so good. I'll see you shortly, guys.